The best form of life insurance is the one in force on the day you die. I get this question all the time, and the straightforward answer to that is the best form of life insurance is the one in force on the day you die. Yes, because every type of life insurance is good and has its own unique benefits. So you may want to sit down with a licensed advisor like myself to check out the different options available and then pick the one that suits your own financial needs and goals. So, the best form of life insurance is the one in force on the day you die. Don't you dare die without having a life insurance coverage. The best time to get life insurance is when you're young and healthy. Young because you get to lock in the cheapest rate available in the market, and healthy because you get to lock in your insurability. However, the next best time is now, even if you're not young. Absolutely. People with health issues can still get life insurance coverage. There are some guaranteed issues, some simplified issue. In fact, there are some life insurance companies in Canada who only insure hard to insure clients. You just need to sit down with an advisor to explore your options. And what better advisor than the one sitting right in front of you? Right, so hit me up even if you have a health issue, and let's see how we can get you covered. I'm certain we can. Permanent life insurance is absolutely fantastic for kids because you get to lock in a cheap rate because they're young, and most of these kids are healthy, so you get to lock in their insurability as well. But then the best part for me is that you get to grow significant wealth within their life insurance policies and literally secure their financial future. So yes, every parent should get a permanent life insurance policy for the child that they love. And who else other than me to help you set up these policies and help you potentially secure your child's financial future? The truth is, you still need to have a personal life insurance policy in place, even if you're covered under your employer provided benefits or package. Employer provided life insurance benefits are only in force for as long as you're an employee of that particular company. If you find a new job and move to a new employer, then you potentially lose that life insurance benefit. And even if you're offered the opportunity to keep the policy, trust me, you're going to be losing the group discount, and then it becomes potentially more expensive than it should ordinarily be. The coverage amount is usually limited to about ×2 of your annual income, which could render you grossly underinsured and may not cover all your liabilities in case you pass away. And so it's important to actually sit down and create a plan based on your own personal needs and goals and not based on your employer's preference. Also, those policies are term life policies, meaning they have an expiry date, which is usually the day you exit the company or at age 65 when you retire. That may leave you with no policy at the time when you actually need to have life insurance policy in place, and by now you'll be too old to get another one, or it will be too expensive, or you may have health issues. So you don't want to wait until that time before locking in a personal life insurance coverage for yourself and your family. This policy also do not have cash values, meaning you can't use it to accumulate wealth. We could potentially supplement your retirement income. So employer provided life insurance benefits are good to have, but that cannot be all you have. You need to have your personal life insurance policy designed and customized for you based on your needs and goals that you have full control over. So hurry and go get it now.